So this is our humble bathroom. And you're thinking maybe it's got a fancy hidden shower. Nope, this is it here. We'll be washing ourselves in a bucket tomorrow morning, just like we do. Getting proper traditional here in Lombok, so we are. Okay, so it's our last day in Canggu for now. We've been chilling out for the past few days, just chilling out in this little box room. It's cosy, it doesn't look like much, but it is cosy.
We spent a lot of time in here the last few days.
I know, I feel like I've not talked to you guys in ages. But yeah, we're going to Lombok for the next few days. We're going to Lombok and then we're heading back to Bali again, doing some island hopping via Gili T, Gili Air, and then Penida and Lombok.
Yeah.
And it's going to be awesome, back on the road again. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Awesome spot. Hello.
How many?
3. Terima kasih. So we're all checked in, and we just had a bit of a blabber with the weight again. I thought it was 10 kilograms, it turns out it was only 7 kilograms. I confidently chucked my bag up because I took my laptop out, and yeah, but it was only 7 kilograms. I don't know what they were thinking though, because I literally just took it off the scales, took the toilet bag out and then put it on again. She was like, yep, that's fine, on you go. But we're all checked in and it's time to go and board the flight now. Alright, let's check out this place. The joys of budgeting the airport.
I know. Check everywhere.
Yes, after a bit of hunting around, we finally decided on a good cultural, adventurous breakfast at good old-fashioned Pizza Hut. Not sure if that's in the camera. Pizza Hut. Can't go wrong with Pizza Hut. It literally just seemed to be the cheapest place in the airport, so we had to settle for it because we already spent so much today already. Hello. Yeah. Terima kasih. Jane, we're at the front of the back. Just touched down Lombok. The next job is we need to try and find a taxi. It's going to take us to our house set. I can't remember the name of it exactly, but it's about an hour and a half north, west, near to the coast. And that's where we're going to be staying for the next couple of nights. But they said, I read online it was about $20 Australian dollars for a taxi transfer, but we just need to try and find someone that's not going to rip us off and try and negotiate a price down to that. You see aircon? Oh, oh my goodness, that's cold.
That is nice.
And it's dark. Oh. Aircon's on. We found it, and it's not too bad actually. So we got... Okay, so we found this place on booking.com, and we just... It's like a kind of house and estate type place. There's a barrier at the front, really nice houses and everything, and still under development. Our house is called G6, something number 15. So we're driving along the street, it's all G1s, 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 couldn't see a G6 anywhere. We're like, oh my god, we've been bammed up again by booking.com because we're not having the best experience with them. And then we turned right at the end of the street, looked down at the end, bushes, 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 nothing. one random house sitting there at the end, and we're like, I bet you that's it. Drove all the way down, number 15 G6, and it's this cute little house. We've got a big double bed, our own living room and everything. Kirsty's got a room all to herself now. Buzzing. And we've got a kitchen for the first time in about, how long was the last time Swin was? Since Australia?
Kitchen since Australia.
About a month ago now, so it's amazing. So the plan was to rent some bikes, head down to a shop, get some food, check out Lombok, but as soon as we arrived, the thunder all started and the rain's come on, and it doesn't look like it's going to be stopping anytime soon, because you could see mountains just over here in the distance, and yeah, you can't even see them anymore, it's so foggy. So I think it could be us for the night, maybe getting a delivery. Yeah, hello there. We want to rent 2 bikes. I'm wondering if that is possible for tomorrow. Okay. No, we can pick up from you. We're going to Singigi tonight, maybe 6 o'clock, so we can pick up tonight and drop off tomorrow. Alright, we'll see you later tonight then. Thank you very much. Ciao. Sorted. Terima kasih. Yeah. Do you have 2? Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. The lads sorting us out with our scooters. Finally, just got to go check into town actually, and because we couldn't get it sorted out, so we're in town now in Singigi, and we've got 2 bikes on our way because we're heading off first thing tomorrow morning for a wee sunrise and waterfall hunt. I don't know. I think it's a kids thing. Funny. Alright guys, so we made it back with the bikes. Survived the journey back in the dark. And we're going to check out a night market. Here's some footage of what we saw. It didn't actually turn out to be a night market at all. It turned out to be some kind of kids fun fair type thing, which is just right across the road from our house. But anyway, we can check that out again in the morning if we're still confused with it. It's an early night from us because we're up waterfall chasing first thing again tomorrow morning, fingers crossed. And yeah, we'll see you then. Oh yeah, and one more thing, I need to share with you guys our shower situation in this place, because we thought our last place was bad when we only had a cold water shower.
Campbell said to me, don't wash your hair here in the cold shower, because the place we go to next might have a hot shower.
Well, I mean, it's definitely got something. Check this out. Check this out, guys. So this is our humble bathroom, and you're thinking maybe it's got a fancy hidden shower. No, this is it here. We'll be washing ourselves in a bucket tomorrow morning, just like we do. Getting proper traditional here in Lombok, so we are. Anyway, see you in the morning, guys. Yeah. Alright, so we think the battery's dead. We've been trying to fix it for ages, chatting to our rental guy, and he's saying to kickstart it, but the mechanic's saying we can't kickstart it, so we're going to try and get it started. If not, we need to pay for a new battery. Need for speed, got it started. We were just saying, imagine this happened up the top where those monkeys were. We would have been right up the creek. My friend, yes. And he's away up on our bike.